thought about, like, should I sand this pole and paint it? I really don't have time for that. So in a perfect world, I probably would sand it and paint it, but I'm just going to try a few spots and see how it looks before I do all that. So, what do I like about this idea of freshening this mailbox pole? Well, I like the fact that with the spray paint, which has primer in it, by the way, with using the spray paint, I got it done very quickly. It's clean, it's fresh, it's visually appealing. But what would I have done differently? I would have definitely sanded before painting. As a matter of fact, I probably would have replaced some of the wood that's rotten and chipped, and that may be long-term what we'll end up doing. So what am I going to do going forward? Clean the mailbox or replace it. Now we have a mailbox that we bought a few years ago. It's in the garage. So either I'm going to clean this mailbox, the current mailbox up, or just replace it. And also put some more rocks, the big giant rocks around the mailbox, the garden there, and mulch and expand it and cover up that area that's bare. Definitely would have been better sanded. But who has time for that? This really just might need to be replaced, right? That's better. That's definitely better. Definitely better. So as I said, it's clean, it's mulched again and ready for the summer. But there's a lot of work to be done. But thank you so much. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thanks again for stopping by Life on Greenwood. Hope everybody's enjoying the great weather we're having here. And let me have some of your suggestions in the comments. These hostas are coming back every year. These are transplants from a couple years ago. They're really coming back great. I love them. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.